The world is aging, and our environment face a lot of problems. The biggest threat that we are facing today is climate change. It is very dangerous. If we don't tackle it, then its consequences are deadly. Also, we need to pay attention to some important things, to activities that cause it, enhance our resilience to its effects, and talk about it. Climate change causes frequent and intense drought.
Climate change increased the odds of worsening drought in many parts of the world. Drought are expected to get more frequent, intense, and longer lasting are at particular risk. In order to prevent it, we should plant more trees and combating deforestation, switching to renewable energies. Stringent laws need to be implemented on those who use practices that can result in droughts or other environmentally damaging results. Lastly, becoming environmentally conscious.
Climate change causes dangerous weather and storms. Climate change causes heat waves and affect the livelihood of the people and community. Climate change results rising sea levels.
Sea level rise is an increase in the level of the world's oceans due to the effects of global warming. Burning fossil fuels is one of the causes of global warming because it releases carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. The oceans then absorb the majority of the heat. As water becomes warmer, it expands. This results in ocean level rising worldwide. With this, sea level rise possesses a serious threat. Consequences includes increased intensity of swim surges, flooding, and damage to coastal areas. In many cases, this is where large population centers are located, in addition to fragile wildlife habitats. Therefore, people may become displaced and will need to seek.
One of the best solutions for us is protect the forests and also to reduce the amount of the carbon dioxide and the other gases that trapping heat on the
Climate change will result in melting of glaciers. Climate change results in warming of oceans and destructions of animals' habitat.
Climate change gives us a lot more issues that we can ever imagine. One of that is economic loss. Economic loss is a term used to describe circumstances when an individual or organization loses money or income. Economic loss may be caused by natural disasters, such as hurricane or by the negligence of another party. Warmer temperatures, sea level rise and extreme weather damages property and negatively affect various sectors, such as agriculture. Economic loss affects primarily the loss of income. Its effect can consist of direct economic loss and indirect economic loss. Direct economic loss is the monetary value of total physical assets, while direct economic loss includes various impacts such as revenue decline, business interruption, government debt, and many more. Solution: natural calamities and disasters may be inevitable, thus a whole system approach to the decarbonization is needed if we were to limit the climate extremes that can cause damage to human well-being, the economy, and the environment. One route of many towards a low-carbon future is investment in the green technologies. Hence, there is still plenty more innovation to be achieved in a sector that could bring further benefits.
And as an environmental engineering student, it is very important for us to love and protect our environment because our planet is the only planet that gives us a home and gives us all everything that we need. So it is the right time for us to remember that our planet is our home. And it is the right time for us to pay back for the kindness of our environment. We must all work together to protect our environment and the world that we live in.
Let's go! Move and act together. Let's
Go! Move and act together. Let us all make a change to resolve and minimize the effects of climate change.